You know what I'm saying?
I guess so.
Must there be hell in a healthy
Shit, that shit came out of. That was YouTube, bruh. My TV. I accidentally clicked it with my remote. Looking crazy, boy.
No, you're acting crazy. What the fuck? You ain't gonna answer my question. Where are you from?
I'm from UK.
UK, you ain't from the UK because you ain't got a UK accent.
I am from the UK.
You are, okay, so where from UK you are exact?
I can't tell you that.
Because you're not from the UK.
You're not from the
If you were from the UK, you could say Birmingham, you could say London, you can say everything, but you are not from the UK.
You're not from the UK.
I never said I was from the UK, I said I was from
Amsterdam.
I ain't from the UK. I used to live in the UK. I also live in the UK, but I'm from Amsterdam, so.
Oh wow. I don't know why girls be thinking they superior. I don't know.
They say?
I said I don't know why girls be thinking they superior.
They're
They are superior.
superior?
You don't know what that is?
I don't know what it means.
Look it up.
But you know what it is?
They think they
English
thinking
is
they hot.
good.
They think they hot and mighty. Girls be thinking they hot and mighty. Means they like
Oh, I speak how I am, but
they act like they smart, but yeah, they act smart, but
like they know everything better.
yeah.
But you know what it is? People from the UK, you can't tell me people from the UK don't have an accent because everybody from the UK has an accent. And I can recognize that accent because I used to live in the UK. You know, it's like. But be honest, where are you really from? Where are you really from?
The UK.
I know you're American, but like where? Like,
No,
Texas.
not.
And also, you know why you can't be from the UK? Because it's a lifetime of mine in the It's a light over there in the room, so
I know what time it is in the UK.
So without looking, yeah, what time is it in the UK?
What the fuck?
No, don't check your phone.
No, I got a notification on my phone.
No, you lying. You know you lying. You know why you lying? Because
Notification. I am showing you like notification.
what
Not
time
lying.
is it? But why are you opening your phone? You just can, tap and see it.
Huh? What's you
But
talking about?
why are you logging?
Hey, say. Look at that. Hey, say. What time is it in the UK?
It's almost 10 in the UK.
It's 8.
8, 7, no, almost 9.
It's 8:57.
My bad.
It don't get dark over here at 8. Like 6 something. You know what I'm saying?
Huh?
I said it don't get dark over here at like 6 something.
No, it's get dark over here at like 9, 10 almost.
Oké, ik heb dit op het web gevonden voor...
I am from
Huh?
a different universe. Where you
But
from?
why do you want to tell where you're from? You're so weird.
Oh, weird? Damn!
Why are you acting like interesting?
I am from South Africa.
Alright.
Say, nah, I'm from Atlanta, bro.
Yeah, finally. Are you really from Atlanta, though?
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm gonna talk to the next person.
You ain't gonna add me?
Nah, you will.
I'm weird. I'm from DC.
You are. Huh?
Huh?
Anyways, bye. Have a nice day.
I'm from BC.
Have a nice day.
Where you from?
I don't know. Maybe I'm from Texas. Maybe I'm from New York. Maybe I'm from Sweden. Maybe I'm from the UK. Maybe I'm from France. Who knows?
Damn.
But if you guess, yeah, where do you think I'm from? Like which country? Like not my, but like where, which country I live.
Stop looking at me. Bro, you look at that face, bro. Every time. So, you look like you from Africa. You look like you from South Africa.
Hey, bye.
Damn. You're not from South Africa?
I'm not. I'm actually Caribbean.
That's in Africa.
Huh?
That's in Africa, bro.
Caribbean is Africa.
I'm African.
So if you're from the Caribbean, you're African.
Let me show you. I know how tall you is.
If you say people from the Caribbean are from Africa, you have to go back to school. That's what I say.
I know how tall you is. Ain't you 20 something?
17.
You cap.
I'm really 17. I'm not 20.
Alright, what's your birthday?
Huh?
Alright, what's your birthday?
My birthday? My birthday is in November.